In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So to do that, make sure that you switch your Instagram account to business account because it needs to be a business page in order to connect it with a Facebook page. You can watch my other video on how to switch your account to business page or professional account. So on your profile page, tap on a professional dashboard. In here, click on the gear or cog icon at the top right. And then to switch your account to business page, just tap on business. And you will see here the option switch account type. Just go ahead and change your personal account to business account. Once you're done, just click on connect or create. It says here get features to reach more people by connecting your Instagram account to a Facebook page. So go ahead and tap continue. So it says here you can make this change in account center found in setting. So let's do that. So you just have to go back to your settings. So in here you will now see the account center and click on add more account and then click on add FB account. So just tap on Facebook, then continue, and it says here add your Facebook account to your account center. So just go ahead and add that one. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.